Facebook has also launched its chatbot like ChatGPT, just like Googlebot. First of all, you will go to its official website with the name Llama 2. It will ask you to sign up here. Enter your information, email address. Click on Terms and Conditions and accept. After that, it will give you permission. Then you can download it. So do this procedure so that you can download it tomorrow. And the second way I will tell you. You will use it for free right now. You just have to put a link. So first we logged in. We signed up from here. Put your information. First name and last name. Email address. Put it like this. After this work is done, I will give you this link. As soon as you paste, you will reach the chatbot directly Llama 2. Now here it is coming in front of you. I wrote hi, so it wrote hello, I am here to assist you. So now we will check what we can do here and we will compare it with ChatGPT. So I will tell it to write YouTube video script about how to YouTube channel viral, how to make YouTube channel viral. So it has written the script of the video that you have to say this after so many minutes. It has generated the whole script for you. So now I write it here that write a song for my cat named Puppy, because we are checking what is its speed, how it is working, what mistakes are being made in it. So it has written a song which is rhyming 2 verses 1 and. Very good. And the interesting thing is that in the chorus, he has written this meow meow. Like a lot of cats are singing in the background. So, songs can also be generated from here. The purpose of saying is that any content writing you want to do, it can be done here. It has a very good speed. So I asked him, can you write code? So he is saying no, I can't write code. But before this, I tried, he was writing code. So now I will ask him to write a blog about rain and storm that have come in India. He wrote a blog. Now we will check how long he can write a script. He asked how long you can write any script. He gave a detailed answer that everything has a different length of script. There are 120 pages. I can write 120 pages. I can also write more than this. Now I ask him if he knows today's date. He said he knows the date and the date is wrong. It is March 11th, 2023. It is possible that his mind is up to March 2023, which is a good thing. Because the ChatGPT is also not that much. I wrote to check that I should write current news. But all this news is old. It is COVID news. He is not accepting it. Let's convince him that his knowledge is up to where. I wrote to him that do you know about the news of the submersible of Titanic? He wrote the news. And he is telling some incident of 2019 of Titan. That is, he is telling wrong. I told him that I am talking about the incident of 2023 of Titan. Let's see what answer he gives. When you ask the ChatGPT, he immediately tells that he does not have knowledge. He is talking around. He is saying that there was such an incident in 2019. There was no such incident in 2023. That is, he is lying. Okay, no problem. Let's catch his lie. See, it is written in front of you. He is saying that no such incident has happened. Either he says that I do not know. But he is not accepting it. I told him that it seems that you do not have current. I have written wrong in the spelling of current. Update as it is 2023. I told him that it seems to me that it is 2023 and you do not have current information. He agreed. He is saying that you are correct. My knowledge was cut off in 2019. And after this, I do not have knowledge. You should have told me earlier that you do not have knowledge. Why did you waste our time? So this is his mind till 2019. But he can do all this work. Like ChatGPT, he also does not have a mind till 2023. Now let's go to ChatGPT and ask. How far does he know the current update? How far does his memory work? So I wrote that I understand. Thank you for your apology. He is saying that you are welcome. So now let's go to ChatGPT and ask him. Yes, he knows the update of today's news. He said straightforward that I have knowledge of 2021. Llama 2 of Meta has knowledge of 2019. And he has knowledge of 2021. He did not turn around and talk. Very good. Now let's go to the third chatbot. www.bing.com/new. He cannot do so much content writing as he can do. But if you want live updates or live information, current, he will give you this. Do you know the current news headline of today? I also put the date so that there is no confusion. So let's check what he is saying. He is saying that he knows and he has started writing. And this is Manipur's violence. He is telling the current situation. And he is also giving a reference that I have taken the news from here. England's match. And I had read this news today. So you will get the difference that if you want current things, then neither will Chat give you information, nor will Llama 2 give you, nor will Google Bart give you. Their information is limited by themselves. That is, Chat is up to 2021 and Llama 2 is up to 2019, which is the chatbot of Facebook Meta company. You have seen this comparison. So now you can add another chatbot like Chat to your list. So tell us in the comments how did you like today's video. See you again tomorrow with a new video.
Stop.